Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your uh, panel like this. How you can change this color. How Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the settings option, go to personalize section, and here it is a colors option. When you just click on it, you can see this interface. It is a message, and here it is a setting button. If you just off this setting or you can see this interface over here. You can see if you off it, this will be gone, and you can choose basic colors, wallpaper colors, themed icons, and then you have to simply save this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.